Cowork and studiotalca Café by studiotalca Arquitectura Ingeniería In TALCA, Chile. The studiotalca building embodies the revitalization of Chile's architectural heritage, particularly in Talca's historic center. This project has transformed a 19th-century warehouse, once used for furniture manufacturing and left semi-abandoned after the 2010 earthquake, into a modern facility housing co-working spaces and a cafeteria. Preserving the historical integrity of adobe walls and wooden trusses, while integrating modern reinforcements of concrete and steel, the building stands as a testament to sustainable architectural practices. The structure's monochromatic and distinctive design features a vertical garden that mitigates the western heat exposure, reflecting a commitment to environmental consciousness and design excellence. Internally, the building features a diverse range of spaces, parking and service bathrooms on the first level, a semi-open terrace with a cafeteria and flexible co-working spaces on the second, and fixed co-working spaces along with the studiotalca, architecture engineering, office on the third. It is more than a building. It's a cultural hub aimed at fostering a community of entrepreneurs and creatives, facilitating interactions across disciplines such as architecture, design, art, and technology through its versatile design and public events. Studiotalca is not just a rehabilitation project, it's a catalyst for cultural and creative activity in Talca and the broader Mall region, aiming to be a central point for innovation and collaboration. Its architectural approach and commitment to preserving heritage while encouraging contemporary use make it a significant addition to the local urban fabric.